Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, I come to you with broken nails. That's just how it's gonna be. The place that I work at, it's just gonna happen. My thumb had an unfortunate accident. It got down into the painful area. So I won't be painting that nail today because I don't want to irritate it. But I am going to start with Peely Base from Holo. This is a peel-off base, but you can use whichever you prefer. The colors that I'll be using today are from a variety of different brands. This first one is Pure Ice, and it is called Happy Hour. The second one is Broadway Nails Banana Smoothie. And then I've got this brand. I've never heard of this brand, but I saw it at Walmart. It's called LBK, and this shade is called Aquamarine Green. And then I've got Color Club's Factory Girl. I'm going to be using the LBK as my base color. Now that I've got the base color on, I'm going to go into the actual nail art. As you can see, I don't have a paper towel down today because I'm going to be using my mat today. We're going to be doing some scoop marbling, which is probably one of my favorite ways to marble. I know there's several different ways, but this is probably my favorite. We're just going to get some polish out. You can line it up, you can put it on top of each other, whatever it is that you would like to do. And I've got a toothpick, and I'm just going to go back and forth a couple of times in the polish. It doesn't have to be perfect. But now that that is complete, I'm going to take my brush. I just picked these up at Walmart. They come in a pack of like 9 or 10, I believe. I'll leave them down below. It's just a pack of art brushes, but I've been using them for nail art. And you're just going to scoop it up on a brush and lay it out. a trick that I saw on Instagram a while back, if I can get it to focus, is, see the corner of my nail is a little bare. While the polish is still, just kind of stick the finger in and just pull it over. And just pull the polish over the corner. And then I can also work, if you've got a little bit too much polish on the nail, you can just kind of stick your finger in the side and just kind of pull the extra polish off. And it doesn't mess with the design too much. Okay, once my design is mostly dry, I'm just going to go in with, I believe this is Scattered Holo Taco from Holo Taco. And then once I have that applied and it is dry, I'm going to go in with Super Glossy Taco. And no one asked, but I'm going to share it with you anyways. What I've been doing, and I just messed that up. We'll fix it in a minute. Nobody asked, but I'm going to tell you anyways. This is what I do while I'm waiting for my nail polish to dry. I watch rug cleaning videos on YouTube. This is one of my favorite channels to watch, called Mountain Rug Cleaning. I don't know, it's something that I like to watch before bed. Another one that I like to watch is this guy right here. I'm not even gonna pretend to act like I know how to say his channel name, but that's another favorite one of mine. And like I said, nobody asks, but just in case you needed something to relax to before bed, that's a really good thing to watch right before bed. And this nail pretty much evened itself out since I had just applied that top coat, so we're just gonna smooth it. Yeah, everything looks fine. I'll do another coat of top coat once this one dries, and it'll be good as new. But that is the design. I contemplated on whether or not I wanted to add the Scattered Holo Taco, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So I did it. Yeah, that nail will get another coat of top coat just to smooth that out. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I have enjoyed getting back into YouTube. It's been a struggle to find the time, but this is something that I really love to do, and I am willing to make the time to do it. I know I've missed a couple of weeks, and that's gonna happen. I have a full-time job, a family, a house to clean, and I'm gonna do my best, and I hope that you stick with me. If you want to get the updates when they come out, those will most likely be on Instagram. I will put my handle on the page at the bottom. It's at No Worries Nail Art, and there will also be a link down in the description box. It'll be the first link that you see when you open the description box. I upload every Wednesday, almost every Wednesday, but from now on I would like to upload every Wednesday at 12 noon Central Time. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, all the things, leave a like, comment, tell me what you think about this design and what colors you would use. There should be some videos up on the screen for you to check out next. My subscribe button for a quick link for to subscribe should be right here, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.